really good amounts. You don't want to be too thick, you don't want to be too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal, your charms, and then too thin is not going to adhere your crystals properly. So if you feel like the first time you apply it you feel it's too much, then the second time you feel like you're too little, then the third time you will get the hang of it. Give it a little bit more practice and you will get it. And trust me, when you're watching all our videos, we'll give you a lot of different inspirations and you will never go wrong with this. Hey everyone. You are the Pisces tipped by Jocelyn. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. Hi Nenes, how are you? Thank you, thank you. I think I just need to get look at me. Floating. How do you apply the top coat on the top of condensed glue gel? If you are spread your brush really hard, it's going to drag and pull all your condensed glue gels away. So you want to float it. We mean that it's just like a feather touch, light touch. So then that way you can able to deliver the top coat on the top without taking it away condensed glue gels. I need this one. Just give it to me. I mean, clean that one now. So in this design, I am going to pick this charm to be a centerpiece. And then a transcended crystal. So the closer, the tighter your crystal is together, the better. It's gonna stay, last longer. And they connect together like a chain, so then it won't easy to, you know, like break through.
Almost looks like you're creating a bird.
It looks like a bird.
You have the two eyes and I guess orange beak, and maybe like a hat on top.
Hold on, I think you moved my tray. Can I get my tray back? Did you move on my tray away? Yeah.
Like that? Like this?
No. Oh, transfer 4 is out of stock. We're definitely gonna check it for you in just a second. Tip it. I do not think it's out of stock. We need to just updating. We're gonna updating it for you so you can able to get it taken care. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a beads between crystal and frame. Let's make sure it's right in the center. And then you know what, the design looks really cute itself, so if you don't want any beads, absolutely fine, but you don't want, you can do it like right between beads and or between crystals. Our team will check it for you. Tipped by Jocelyn. Oh, the premium out of stock.
Yep.
We updated.
Should be good now. Yes.
Oh, that looks like a super cool owl.
You think?
Yes.
Write it off on these edges. You think it looks cute? It looks like an owl.
A bird in general. Get cute.
Well, if you're happy with this, one more. I still don't see the bird at all.
I do.
I feel like it looks like a reindeer. Just kidding.
Yep, like a unicorn reindeer.
Are you sure? I'm put a couple cute one in here. And then
Oh, now your bird has some picky cheek.
sure. No earring.
We'll take that too.
That's good imagination.
Or you know what? Maybe like two tiny little hands.
No, it's earring. Little ears. Little earring right there. You see the bird, not the reindeer.
I told you it's a bird.
A luxury owl. Not an angry bird, but a luxury.
All right. So now we're going to Kia for 60 seconds.